So, Mr. Tingling, I got full confirm that one of the twin brothers is involved in the handkerchief and we need to go and arrest him. So, I know you and the brother were good. Him, him not involved in a badness, but you need to go and pick up him brothers. I know I say, yeah, never want to do this, but you have to lock up your friend, brother. Yes. So, well, John was there. So, bossy, there is no other way. There is no other man for go up on the mission. Cause yeah, look up him brother, him a going vibes with me and thing. But man, why lie is the last still, so him a forgot understand. You see, him a forgot understand. So I got the way you say. I do what you say. So we make you get more info. We carry him down here and him will get more info. Our boss you know call me at a walk one. Man even know how me a go do in idea. There no star. Little things sticky. We rob the place the boss and all no boss no look for me and give me my food yet. Wonder walk one. Me no like how me feel Me feel hot. And when me feel hot, me know say some bad energy I go on and know. Hello sir. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, do, can, and will use against you in the court of law. So you have the right for an attorney. If you don't have one, one will be provided for you. You're under arrest. How am I do know? How am I do know? Jesus Christ, my brother, they want me for involved in the shooting and robbery. And you're also under arrest to involve in the handkerchief gang. So your brother friend and you lock me up everything good. Hey boy, sit down. You never hear say if you can't catch quack you catch a chat. Hmm. Well I wanna feel like say no one come involved in a badness. Me know say your brother teacher would tell us if it come out of badness say you don't want come out. So who can hear I go feel can stay there. Round at the cell I go in the evening. Now come out back until I answer certain Bossy, just don't lock me up, me I beg you, please. We can get any amount of information about the handkerchief gang. But just join it, I don't know nothing about badness. I am a banana my plant. You can ask my brother. You can ask my brother, I don't know nothing about badness. Please, me I beg you. Me I beg you, I don't want to sleep at jail tonight. Well, it's too late. Go plant your man banana around at the cell. Wally, take him up. Carry him around at the cell. Get up. Ja, no. You come brother tell me say fellow bad company alone. Ja, no. When me I go tell my brother say no. Officer, I can't get my one call. Hey boy, you not get no one call. Lock up. Thank you, Jam. Wake up this morning. Roll out the herbs before me start yawning. John, no. Hope and pray me not hear no bad news today. No. Hope and pray me not hear no bad news today, Father God. God and protect my little brother same way. You know the things. So. You never come help me. Rake up a little one yard. John, no. Chapaling. Chapaling. So you ball out my name, so. I ain't normally come on my yard. So I go on today. Police just lock up your brother. Jesus Christ. After me hear some no one bad news today. Alright, may I put on some clothes and gas station. John.